Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are tackling a quick but super important topic: how to delete or cancel an order on the Zara app. Whether you have changed your mind or made a mistake while ordering, don't worry. I will show you exactly how to fix it in just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. At first, we have to be on the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Zara application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap onto your profile icon from the down right corner of your screen. Once you are in your profile interface, you have to tap onto the purchases. As you can see in the screen that I have not ordered anything from the Zara, but I will guide you how to cancel your order. At first, find the order you want to delete or cancel and tap on it to open the details. You will see all the items in that order along with the status like processing, shipped or delivered. If the order is still being processed, you will see an option to cancel it. Tap on Cancel Order. Confirm the cancellation while prompted, and that's it. Your order will no longer be processed and you should get a confirmation email shortly. And there you have it. That's how you can delete or cancel an order on the Zara app.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.